Hello everyone, welcome to this section, and we're going to talk about function, and I'm going to tell you how to create a function, how to call a function. Yes, well, a function is a block of code which only run when it is called. So let's go into it. To create a function, you use the def word because in Python functions are defined using def, and then we now move to the function name. Let's say print hello world, print underscore hello, then with a parenthesis, then with, yeah. So let's say we just want to print hello world, to print hello world. Now to call a function, it's not like the way we just say print. No, but let me just put this in. Let's say print hello world. Let's run it and see you see something. Okay, see we have some like function print hello world at there is an error, so you can't actually do that. So we call function by its name, that's print underscore hello world with the brackets. Save, and let's run the code now. Yeah, there you go, hello world. Now we can also use a function to call another function. Let's just do that. Okay. Def main parenthesis, don't mind all this space I'm giving it, it does not matter, but just to keep your work clean or neat, let's say print, we're calling a function up there by its name, and we put the parenthesis. Okay, main Control S, and let's see, and there we go, hello world for the first 1 year. Then for main, this is it, hello world. So you can actually use a def to print a function to print another function. So function is just a code you could use, you could play with. It's just a block of code. We'll see you in the next class.